Hello. So you want to know more about ethics? Yes? Well, here's a key. If you're a public official, ethical conduct is fundamental. Basically, this means you should do your job honestly, fairly, lawfully, and competently at all times. You should not take improper advantage of your official position, ever. That's corruption. In general, serving citizens and serving your own organization must come before anything else. It's tricky, isn't it? Trouble is, many people think that's just a personal matter, or it's just about religion, morality, or human rights. For a public servant, that's not very helpful in practice. Others think ethical conduct means being polite, working hard, following the rules, and avoiding corruption and conflicts of interest. That will keep you out of trouble. But it still isn't everything you need to know.